after you log in, this is how everything looks like. So you can see the platform, everything is here. And with this button, you can switch from, light mode to dark mode. So you can use it to switch from lights mode to dark mode. And this is, I think, a cool feature. So when you log into the platform, we are still adding more features to the platform. So stay tuned. If there's any feature, you'll be updated. But basically, this is how you will make the best out of this platform or this community. Once again, I want to say a big welcome to you. So this right here you are seeing is the main feed. When everybody posts, this is where it is going to show. Just like Facebook X, this is the timeline for the community. And then with this part, let me show you this part where the arrow is. That is the menu tab. So you can see feed, you can see spaces, you can see courses. Don't worry about courses. Nobody is selling courses here. We are all here to put everybody on game. So you see members, general discussion, urgents, and wins. Urgents, help, and wins. Some of the features you are not going to see it because you are not on the admin panel. So if you are not seeing it, don't worry. You are still at the right place. So you can see spaces here. We are still editing it. If you want to view a specific space, you come to spaces, general discussion. This is where you post everything, anything at all. It could be, hello everybody, I'm new here, I joined this platform. What is this platform? Anything at all, general discussion should come here. And urgent help. Maybe you are working on a project, you are working on an automation or something, and you encountered an error. You can post it here. Everybody in the community is going to help you. And also we have wins. Maybe you've learned some clients, you have some cheat code you use to make sales and all that. You can post all here, and then it's going to inspire people, and it's going to inspire a whole lot of people. So yes, and we also have, so this is instead of coming to spaces, you can just come here. You see the space. This is the feed space, the general discussion space, the urgent space. So when somebody posts something and it is urgent help, you come here, you see all of them here. And then we also have the wins page, which is all here. But once again, they all appear on the feed. But if you want to individually view these spaces, you can just go and view them with that tab. So this one too is the notification. This is the notification panel or the notification tab. You come here and any notification, you see it. Mentions, following, everything will be here for you to see. You can also search about anything, and then you are good to go. I'm sure we all know how to search and the meaning of search. So when you come down here, we also have the home button. We also have the spaces, which is also here. So this is also here. So instead of tapping this one, you can just tap this one here, and then you are good to go. Also, we have the profile tab here, down here. You also have it at the top here. So you can tap on any of them, especially when you log in fresh. You can tap on any of them, and then it will take you to your profile. As you can see, I am verified very nicely. Yeah. If you want to apply for verification, let me know. I'll give it to you. So this is my about, nicely written, lover of Jesus. And then last scene is here, the time I joined 15 hours ago. And these are my social links. So you can tap on this edit button here. You can tap on this one. When you tap on it, then you have everything here. As you can see, some features might not be appearing on your side because you are in the client or the user panel, but I am in the admin panel. So as you can see, I set my socials nicely, add my social links, save them nicely, I can mark an account as verified. I can uncheck an account as verified. So that is it. I come to the post. Whatever I've posted will show here. If I want to filter it to new, old, or popular likes or anything, then I can filter. Spaces are here. These are spaces that I created for the whole group. You might not be seeing it, but because you are not in the admin dashboard. So there's also comments, Anson did not receive or add any comments. So yeah, this is basically how to navigate the platform. So let's say you want to post something. Make sure this part, this is where you put the title of your post. So let's say I'm posting about N8N is crazy. So that's my topic. So I'm like, maybe I used N8N and it is super. Oh my God, where did my spellings go? Super cool. So it is, oh my God, it is super cool. So after that, you are done with your post. You can come here, tap on this one. You can add photos. Let me close this one. You can add videos. You put the URL here and you embed the video. You hit on an embed and then it will just embed for you. Also, you can create polls. Yeah. I'm not going to create a poll right now, so I'll close it, cancel it. Then after, you come to select space. This is where you choose where your post is going. You understand? So if your post is about general discussion, you tap on general discussion. If your post is about urgent help, you tap on urgent help. If your post is about wins, you tap on wins. Going forward, we'll be adding more categories. So sometimes when you hit on this, you see more than this. Just choose a topic that corresponds with the post you are making. So I'm going to choose general discussion. I think I made a mistake in the N8N. Okay, so I'll correct that N8N. So yes, once again, you'll be seeing features that will not appear on your feed because you are not on the admin dashboard. So after that, I'll hit posts. And just like that, I posted. N8N is crazy. I use N8N and it's super cool. So this is my post. So I'm going to tap on this and then I can bookmark the post. When I come here, you see all your bookmarked posts here. And then, yeah, you can also edit it. You can come here to this one. You can tap on it to edit. Some of the features will not be seeing it on your side because it's a user side. This is the admin side. That's why I see pin to top, pin to sidebar. But then you can edit your post. You can delete the post. You can do whatever you want to do with all the options you will get. Also, you can like. That is what you are seeing here. I've liked this post. You can also comment this post like, yeah, bro, you good. Yeah, bro. Yeah, what? Yeah, bro. You are right. Yeah, you are right, man. So, yeah, bro, you are right. I reply. And then here we go. So I've replied. So I can like this reply and also reply this reply. It's kind of crazy. You can also add media and all that. So as you can see, this is basically how the platform works. And then I have this dark mode. I like dark mode, of course. So this is it. So basically, this is how you navigate the platform. Once again, welcome to this community, and I would like to encourage you to help people, share what you are doing, share your project, and let's communicate well, let's connect well, and let's make the best out of this community. I'm looking forward to know about you, and then I'll say welcome once again. You do well to follow everybody here on the platform, and let's make the best out of it. So I guess this will help you a little bit, See you in the comment section or wherever I'll see you. Once again, don't hesitate to post any problem or any error you are facing. We are all going to help. Do not keep anything. Welcome.